I'm using a box of ammunition and a Darth Vader business card holder to hold my phone up for everyone on Twitter and Periscope. So I'm going to be kind of switching back and forth, my eyes at least, between my iPad and my cell phone because I'm not all that technologically smart, so I don't know how to do the whole back and forth. So of course, this is what I am unboxing, doing a quick review on. Now, I know this has been out for a minute, obviously since Rogue Friday, and I originally, on YouTube, y'all would know, I was originally going to, I had actually pre-ordered the Black Series Storm Shadow Trooper electronic voice changer helmet, and I had canceled that order because Amazon wasn't able to ship it to me right away. They didn't tell me when they were going to be able to ship it, and I just took the time, and at the time I was like, I don't need it, so I canceled it. Well, me and my wife were going Halloween costume shopping for my daughter. For those curious, she's going as Minnie Mouse because Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is like her favorite show now. So however much I wanted her to be an Ewok or something, Minnie wins out. So we're at Toys R Us, and my wife goes to the costume section and then starts making a beeline for the cashier, and I was like, girl, you cray if you think I'm not checking out the Toys R Us Star Wars aisle. So of course I go down the aisle and I see this. And it's marked for $80, and even my wife was surprised to see it, and she made a very bold statement that she'll probably regret, and that was, if you want it, I'll get it for you right now. So I was like, let's do that. Now, I will say this, the box's tape is already cut. It was like that at the store. I even asked them if they had another box in the back that was unopened. They checked. They did not. So I was like, can I, with the guy still standing there, I was like, can I open it and make sure the helmet is in there, the parts are in there? And he goes, sure. So he started to turn to walk away, and I was like, no, I meant like while you're standing here. I don't want to be accused of anything. He just kind of chuckled and said, sure. So I opened it up. Parts are all there. So this is, but it is still an unboxing, and it is I'm gonna put it together. I hope I have the right tools here, and I have the batteries needed. So without further ado, let's, I guess, get at it. Now it's gonna be a little tricky. My iPad doesn't have as wide or as tall as a screen as my phone, so I'm really gonna try and work in like there's my iPad, like the tip of my fingers. There's my iPad. So you on my phone, you can see my hands. iPad people / YouTube people cannot. So here we go. This is the top of the helmet. And also, I'm going to be comparing this product, Black Series wise, real quick, sorry, to this helmet. This is my Kylo Ren Black Series helmet, which I, of course, have molded, sanded into a one-piece helmet, removed all the electronics. It's just cushioning in there now. And I have a piece of pantyhose over the goggles because, I mean, now it's like boom, boom, boom. Here's Kylo Ren. This is what I'll be for Halloween. Jordan Mall sent me a message. Jedi Jordan Custom Creations. He sent me a message saying that he's going to finish up my lightsaber this weekend, and he'll have it back to me. So I am pumped about that. I'm going to do a live video and YouTube video about it. And of course, I'm running these simultaneously. 2 separate devices. So I apologize again for the whole eye contact thing. So here we go. And I'm getting over a cold. So this is obviously the top of the helmet, and as a lot of people have said, these are painted. These are indentions. These are indentions, and they're painted. It feels like a pretty good plastic. I know that seems weird, but the plastic on the Kylo Ren helmet is a different plastic. Here, of course, is the quick manual. Let's see if there's anything. There's the battery compartment. Blah blah blah. Like from here on is not even in English anymore, but it does show you how to assemble the straps, which I will honestly probably do that off camera just because it takes forever. So there's the top of the helmet. Here's the front of the helmet. Coolio, looking legit. I like how these pieces are actually, they're actually a little loose. Not like super loose, not in a scary way, but like they actually like pop in. They're not molded in. It's a whole separate piece. I like that. It almost gives it a more realistic microphone piece. This piece is actually a different material. It's sort of rubbery. And the giveaway is the little black dots on the inside right there. You can see that it's kind of been molded over there. These are all engraved over. Nice. There's some scuff marks that I think I can clean off. Blue's really nice. Everything looks really nice, actually. I know this, I keep saying that, but I'm going to worry about those straps later. Let's get this third and final piece out. Of course, is the back of the helmet. Let me see if I can get this. I don't want to break it. Where's the instructions? Yeah, so it does just pop off. Okay, that's scary. I don't like that, but it is what it is. Alright, so you need a Phillips head. Oh, and my Phillips head is so fat. And my flat head is just small enough to get in there. Okay, that's good. Alright, so I'll get these batteries out. Now, everyone says the voice changer in this isn't too good. Seems to sort of be a recurring theme with Black Series. Hence why my Kylo Ren helmet doesn't even have it anymore. Because it's just not... I don't know. It's just not all that... Well, for me, it's not all that necessary. But it's just not on point. There's something's wrong with their speakers and their microphone. They just don't... It's like they don't quality test that before it goes out. Sorry, I am getting over a cold, like I stated. So I guess you're supposed to adjust the straps. Adjust straps to fit child's head. Yeah, that doesn't make me feel stupid. Let me see if I can adjust the straps before putting that on. Or if I'm going to even be able to fit this, so to speak. Where you at? I don't have any current live viewers, so I'm going a little slower. Oh, jeez. Got a long ways to go. Let's try that. I actually like these straps. They kind of allow for a lot more growth. Okay, I see what they're getting at. So, oh goodness, that slipped out. Let me get at least 3 of those on top. Let me tighten this by like 2 clicks. Straps are actually fairly comfortable. They're not too crazy plasticky. They're actually a pretty flexible rubber. Okay, so that holds on pretty good. Now I might need to drop this down back just 1, and then loosen this one up 1. But I'm telling you, these straps, man, if they had put these in the Kylo Ren, I might not have adjusted the Kylo Ren much. Now, it's not perfect. It'll be a little loose, but it won't be too bad. Let's give this all a go, shall we? No viewers, no live viewers. Huh. Usually when I do gun stuff, they tend to stick around a little longer. But it's cool, it's cool. I take nothing personal. I probably wouldn't watch me either. I'm not doing anything cool or fancy. Click, click. Oh. There's your on and off. Click, click. Okay. Now there's no labeling front and back, so you just kind of have to know these are in the back. And of course, like the shape won't really allow it. Well, maybe it would. There's a little gap. Nothing too crazy though. This is a rubber piece. That feels nice. This is actually really nice. I like it. Let's try her on. Oh, hold on now. See what my big head just did? And that's why I like doing this live. Because, interesting. Now I wonder, is there even a way for me to get around that, or is it going to do that every time I try to get it on? I think it's going to do that every time. I might have to take the straps out and find another way. Well, there we go. Okay, so it's on now. It's a little... My head's hitting the top. Well, did the straps... Well, the straps held. Let me see if I can tighten this just a hair. Just one more on each. I know I had already tried adjusting the straps, but I had done that without the helmet on. I guess I never like to realize that my head is big. Gotta get this strap. The strap's kind of getting pushed up when I'm going to put it on, but I can't, there's no way for me to hold the straps down. So I just gotta kind of try and slip my head past it. So here's what's happening. When I go to put it on, the back of my head is pushing this up because there's no rigidity to it. So that's kind of a you know, you win with the softer straps, you lose with the rigidity of the softer straps. So I don't know how I counteract that unless I just literally take multiple attempts to try and put it on. So, yeah, this might prove a problem future. I can't, cause see, and then my hands get in the way, obviously, to put on the helmet. This looks like a large helmet, and when you're in 3 pieces, it looks like you're going to have a very large helmet, but it's actually appropriately sized for a head. And I really didn't think that that was going to be the case. I kind of thought it was going to be a little big. I'm by no means complaining. It looks awesome. I know, like, when I saw a video and I was like, oh, that doesn't look that good. I'm kind of glad. I skipped over the Shadow Trooper, but after looking at this one, I really like it. And I am glad I skipped over the Shadow Trooper and I got this one, because this is much more iconic, much more like, boom, I know what that is. And I have a lot of non-Star Wars people around me, so it's actually pretty cool to have stuff that people recognize. I need to get this strap to stay down. I might attach, that's what they should have done. So there's an open space right here at the back. It's hard to see this indentation right there. They should have made a way to attach this back to that, because without that, there's nothing holding this strap down, so every time I go to put my head in, it grabs and does that. And it gives me no solid base as far as actual costuming. Now, of course, I could do like a... No, I do not know why this hanger is in my room. But I do know nope. Well, no one ever called me MacGyver, so I can almost get it. Like, I can feel it there, but it's not. I just wish I could get this strap over my head. Because that's it. That's the last thing to really wearing this, is getting this strap over my head. Alright, there. I think it's on as good as I'm going to have it. I don't think it's cracked in the back. And the strap's not like fully on, but my head's kind of stuck in here anyway, so I might not need the strap. So here we go. So this is what they kind of consider the Stormtrooper voice, but I'm sort of experiencing the same thing a lot of other people are experiencing. The microphone isn't picking up my voice. Okay, so what I'm actually doing now is I'm holding the microphone itself forward, like at my mouth. So the microphone flips out, but there's no bowl behind it to capture my voice. So it's all slipping out the bottom of the helmet, I'm sorry. So it's kind of there, but it's not there. Now, I think I can fix this with probably, I'm pretty sure I still have, as you can see, I still have some of the parts of the Kylo Ren helmet, so maybe I can use that as far as like the parabolic bowl or something. But it does turn off after a minute. I don't know if it's like senses my voice, or it's just a timing thing, or maybe the batteries I put in are low. But either way, I guess I'll go ahead and cut the video off here. So this is my second helmet to go with Black Series, and I'll tell you, actually not that bad. I think out-of-box product might be better than the Kylo Ren, and I think it'll definitely need less customization because there's no obvious helmet lines. Either way, y'all have a good one.